A vast family tree, weaving together 9,409 bird species, has revealed the secrets behind the vibrant hues of tropical birds and their evolutionary journey. The birds you see from your window change their colors with the seasons, but the diversity of their palettes depends on where you are. Near the equator, a riot of colors awaits, whereas farther away, birds wear more subdued tones. Scientists, captivated by this kaleidoscope of tropical feathers, wondered, did these brilliant birds evolve their colors in the tropics, or did their colorful ancestors bring their hues with them? In a groundbreaking study published in Nature Ecology and Evolution, researchers mapped the evolution of bird coloration on a global scale. They discovered that iridescent feathers, shimmering like rainbows, emerged 415 times throughout the bird family tree, often originating outside the tropics. Astonishingly, it seems that the ancestor of all modern birds likely sported iridescent feathers. Chad Eliason, a research scientist at the Field Museum in Chicago, and the study's lead author, explains the two primary ways animals achieve their colors, through pigments and structures. Melanin, the pigment responsible for blacks and browns, contrasts with structural colors, which arise from light interacting with microscopic feather structures. Iridescence, a prime example of structural color, intrigued Eliason and his team. Eliason's focus on structural color led him to meticulously catalogue the presence of iridescent feathers in 9,409 bird species, covering nearly all known bird life. By integrating their data with an existing bird family tree based on DNA, the researchers used sophisticated modeling to trace the origins and spread of iridescence. Their findings suggest that colorful birds from outside the tropics migrated to these regions millions of years ago, diversifying into numerous species over time. Even more fascinating, the model indicates that the common ancestor of all modern birds, dating back 80 million years, likely had iridescent feathers, too. This discovery has significant implications for paleontology. We now have a new lens through which to examine fossil records, says Eliason. The fact that the ancestral state of all birds is iridescence opens new avenues for understanding bird evolution. Despite these revelations, many questions linger. Why did iridescence evolve in the first place? While it might help birds attract mates, it could also relate to environmental factors or feather properties like water resistance. Understanding the proliferation of iridescent birds in the tropics might eventually unravel these mysteries, shedding light on one of nature's most dazzling displays.